Call barring allows you to control the types of phone numbers that are called from your system. To create a new call barring rule, navigate to the company drop-down on the left of the portal, followed by the call barring menu option. To create a new rule, click Add. To start, you need to enter a profile name. From here, you can select the type of calls that will be allowed under this profile. You can select from local, mobile, international or non-geographic numbers. By clicking on the magnifying glass next to each option, you can see which numbers are included within each category. If the number type you require is not included here, or if, for example, you wish to be able to call certain countries but not all international calls, then you can create custom categories by clicking on the Digit tab. From here, click on the Add button and first enter a category name. Next, click on the Add button at the bottom of the window and you can now enter the digits that you will be allowed to call. For example, to allow calls to the USA, you would enter 001 for the US dial code. Once the numbers required are entered, click Save. Return to the Profile tab and again select Add. You will now see the new categories included on the list. With this example, you can select the US category but not international, allowing users to call the USA as a destination without being allowed to call other international numbers. To save the profile, click Save. Once the profile is saved, we can apply the profile to users on the system. To do this, navigate to the User drop-down on the left of the portal and select the User Setup menu option. Click on the user you would like to apply the rule to and then click Modify. Scroll to the Call Barring drop-down and select Individual Call Barring. From the next drop-down, you can now select the new call barring profile you have created. Finally, navigate to the bottom of the page and click Save to update the user profile. You can also apply this profile to all users at a company level via the Site Management menu option under the Company drop-down.